A nurse practitioner in Texas got a $7,400 tax refund last year. She celebrated on social media like she'd won something. But here's what actually happened. She gave the IRS an interest-free loan of over $600 every single month. That's money that could have been earning interest, paying down student loans, or growing in her retirement account. If you're a high-earning NP, your W-4 might be costing you thousands. Let's fix that. The W-4 isn't just paperwork you fill out on day one and forget. It controls how much of your paycheck you actually keep versus how much the government holds until April. The goal is simple. Owe zero, get zero back. Or close to it. A big refund isn't a win. It's a sign you've been overpaying all year. The modern W-4 has 5 steps. Most NPs only complete step 1. Name, address, filing status, and stop. That's the first mistake. If you're married and your spouse works, or if you have multiple jobs, you must complete step 2. Otherwise, you'll either massively over-withhold or under-withhold. The form assumes one spouse, one job, unless you tell it differently. Here's a real example. Sarah earns $175 as a hospital NP. Her husband Marcus earns $88K as a physical therapist. They have 1 kid. If Sarah just checks married filing jointly and stops, their withholding will be way off. The tax brackets for their combined $263,000 in income are different than what the default assumes. Using the IRS worksheet, Sarah needs to add about $321 per paycheck in extra withholding. That's step 4C on the form. Step 3 is for dependents. If you have kids under 17, multiply the number of qualifying children by $2,000 and enter it. This directly reduces your withholding. Step 4 is where you fine-tune. 4A is for other income like dividends or side gig money. 4B is for deductions above the standard deduction. 4C is for extra withholding if the other steps don't quite get you to zero. When should you update your W-4? After any major life change. Got married or divorced? Update it. Had a baby? Update it. Got a big raise or promotion? Update it. Picked up a second PRN job? Update it. Your spouse started or stopped working? Both of you need to update. You're not locked into whatever you submitted on your first day. The IRS has a free tool that does all the math for you. It's called the Tax Withholding Estimator at irs.gov/W4 app. Grab your most recent pay stub, your spouse's pay stub if applicable, and last year's tax return. The tool will tell you exactly what to enter on your W-4 to hit your target. Run it in January to plan and again in September to course correct. Quick mistakes to avoid. Don't check married and stop there if your spouse works. You'll under-withhold. Don't ignore 1099 side income until April. You'll owe penalties. Don't claim exempt unless you genuinely expect zero tax liability. That's almost never true for 6-figure earners. And don't set it and forget it for years while your income grows. Your action plan. This week, pull your latest pay stub and last year's return. Run the IRS Withholding Estimator. Submit a new W-4 to HR if you need changes. Then set a calendar reminder to do this every January. The goal isn't to game anything. It's to pay exactly what you owe and keep control of your money all year long. If your situation is complex, multiple income sources, a divorce, IRS notices, it's worth talking to a tax professional who understands nurse practitioner finances. At NursePracTax, our enrolled agents and tax attorneys specialize in helping NPs keep more of what they earn. Book a free consultation at NursePracTax.com/consult. Links in the description. Book your free consultation at NursePracTax.com/consult.